Okay, so yeah, what do you want to do? What topic do you want to talk about? All right, so since you are new here, Ms. Tan, so do you want to give us a topic?
Narin.
Also, Miss Tan. All right,
Uh,
hello, Miss Tommy. Miss
yeah,
Tommy, sorry. I'm sorry, Mr. Tommy. I said Miss Tommy. All right, hello,
yeah.
Mr. Tommy. How are you today?
I'm fine. How are you?
Oh, I'm good. All right. Thank you so much for asking, guys.
Yeah.
So we have a new classmate today. So actually, Miss Tan and Narain is also already know each other with other class before. All
Yeah.
right.
I
Yeah. So
request.
that's. Mhm.
I need to change to the my laptop.
Sorry. Oh, what is this? What did he say? I didn't I didn't catch up. All right, let's
Yes,
wait for him.
he change laptop because my laptop is wrong.
All right. Okay, now let's move on. Okay, so we will wait for Mr. Tommy later if he will enter the class again. All right. So yeah, Miss Tan, do you have in mind? All right, he's there. All right. Okay, Mr. Tommy, anything wrong?
Yeah.
Mm, all right. Okay. So yeah, we will wait for you. Okay.
I don't see you. My laptop have some problem.
Oh, so maybe you need to refresh it. Oh, all right. So I will chat to her. Okay, maybe he need to restart it because sometimes my laptop is also, I can share my
Okay.
screen.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay.
It's okay.
I.
So
Okay.
yeah, maybe you need to restart or you need to clear cache data, maybe. Yeah, because I just diagnosed my laptop
Yeah.
sometimes having
Sorry.
a problem like that.
Yeah. Sorry. I have. I need. My my table tennis lesson have some problems. So yeah. So I
Oh.
join our class late. Sorry.
It's a fine. It's fine. We just started. All right. No problem. No problem about it. All right. So yeah. So like what I've said, since Miss Tan is a newbie here,
Yeah.
so she will choose the topic for us. All right. All right. Yeah, maybe we will change. All right, maybe we will choose the topic, Miss Tan, and yeah, Mr. Tommy will catch up it later. All
Yes.
right. Okay. So yeah, what would you like um to talk about today?
Miss
Yes. What
Tan,
topic do you want to talk about?
Miss Tan, you want do you want a topic?
Yeah. Because Novi here is um choosing a topic. So yeah.
Ok. Lâu quá Naren không gặp chị Thanh Naren nào muốn chị Thanh nói hả?
Call
Yeah.
a friend.
My my laptop run out of
Are you
battery.
already?
So, uh,
Tommy Chan,
uh,
are you
it,
already?
now it off. So, so now now I have to use my phone.
Yeah. All right. So
Yeah.
maybe you need to restart your laptop, Mr. Tommy.
Yeah. I am. I am retarding it.
Yeah. All right. Okay, so are you ready, Mr. Tommy? So Miss Tron will choose the topic for us.
Yeah.
Hi, Tommy Trần.
Yeah.
Nice,
Hi.
nice to meet you.
Yeah. That's it.
Nice to
All
meet you.
right.
I want to question, what's your name?
Yeah.
Oh,
What's
My
your name?
my name is Trung.
Trung.
Tom.
Yeah, but
Trung.
you can call me Tommy.
Nickname Tommy.
Yeah.
Yes. So I think I will order one nickname.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, you should think about that. Then tell us later.
Okay.
Ah. All right. By the way, I forgot the name of the last student uh we have before, and who is her name? I forgot. Miss the one that is in Japan. Who is it? Mr. Tommy? I forgot.
Sakura.
Oh, Sakura. Yeah, Sakura. Is she still joining with us? All right. Yeah, she has a song. She has a song for us. All right. By the way, Miss Ran, what is your talent?
Uh,
Um,
I think I consider because
uh,
I work my
ha-
company is the Japanese. I
Oh,
think I consider Sakura nickname.
oh, all right. Yeah, Sakura is cherry blossom, right? Yeah, yeah, Miss Tao.
yeah,
All right. Yeah, remember now. Si Miss Tao.
yeah.
All right.
Miss Emily, I am waiting for the region Tao, mid Tao region, but yeah, I don't know why she don't join our class.
Oh, maybe she is shy or yeah, but no worries. If you can chat with her, no worries. You can tell her no need to show her a talent if she is shy to show us.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not forcing here. All right, it's fine.
Maybe because I I asked her about the about the show her
Mhm.
talent. Oh,
Yeah.
so she don't want to join with us.
Yeah.
Oh,
So do you think it because of that? Because you'd ask her to show her talent and then she back out? That- no, maybe she is busy right now. Yeah, she miss
okay.
yeah, she is busy.
Yeah,
All right. Yeah, I know. Okay. So, yeah, I know that everybody is always busy every day. So, yeah, there have some reason why she can join for us with us. All right. Okay. So, yeah. So, guys, do you have something to ask to Miss Ron? Because, yeah, we want to know each other here. So, yeah, you can ask her.
yeah. Miss Thắng.
Yes.
Uh, okay. Yeah. Sorry, I asked Miss Evelyn about you mean we can ask Miss Thắng about something.
Yeah. Yeah,
Uh,
so they know what they know you each they want to know you better, Miss Ran. So yeah, so one of our professional or our translator want to ask you something.
yeah.
Okay, guys, what do you want? Do you ask me?
When do you live now?
Now I play Ho Chi Minh City.
What district?
Gò Vấp District.
Okay. Thank you.
And you? And you?
I
And
am
you?
I am at Thủ Đức district.
Yes. So far, I think for me, not so far.
Yeah, we can.
Because Gò Vấp nearly Thủ Đức, Phạm Văn
Yeah,
Đồng Street.
yeah.
Go ahead. Yes.
Yeah. Uh, yeah. I hope we can meet to each other later.
Yes. Actually, today I'm the first enjoy on class. So I'm very happy. The teacher and Tommy Chang and Narin. I know Narin and I learn with Narin after that. So
Yeah.
I have sometime I'm stopped. Now I'm away enjoy.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
We are ready to help you.
I want to ask your question.
Yeah.
Are you single or married now?
I'm married. I have married. I get married.
Get married.
A year.
Do you have children?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Yeah.
Okay. For me, I'm get married about 20 years. I have one boy. Now he's the 18 year old.
Oh, okay.
He just passed exam university.
Oh.
Yes.
So, he are studying grade 1 university.
I have one boy. I have one boy.
Yeah.
Yes, I only have one boy.
Yeah. So
now
18 years.
18 year old.
Yeah. So
he just is the pass exam university. Yes. I'm just receive
It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. I just want to help you to correct. It's okay. It's okay. Continue.
So sorry. So I want to ask you a question. So your son is passing the high school.
Yes.
Yeah. So he just enjoy
Yes.
Sorry, I don't know what to say. Kỳ thi trung học.
Yes.
Yeah. So
he is part exam university.
Yeah, I
he
see.
just but today now at 9 o'clock 9 p.m. I receive chị cũng không biết nhiều từ đâu nha.
Yeah.
I receive resource for him.
Oh,
Yes,
I see.
I'm very happy.
Yeah, me too.
Yes.
Yeah, we are all happy that your son is already in fresh, or he is already in first year college, is it?
Yes, that's right.
All right, that's great. All right, and what course did he take?
Pardon?
What course did he take?
What?
The major.
Course.
Hit major.
Okay, let me write down.
I don't hear clearly.
Oh.
Pardon me.
All right.
Nice.
What course or did your son take? Course.
Course.
Yeah.
Could
What?
you write?
Yeah,
Right?
sure. One moment. Okay, I will write down for you.
Please tell me.
Okay.
Oh yeah, there already. Sorry. So my sticky note is not working. Okay.
I come back.
All right, here, course. Right. Yeah, you can translate it, Miss. Okay, I don't know how to translate it here in the Vietnam English. To Vietnam. All right, go ahead. What course did he take, Miss? Okay, here. Yeah. I don't think so. If is it correct, Mr. Tommy? Did I write Khoi?
Yeah, I give trên lấy đi. Học như là con của
Yeah, we have a translator.
Thanh chưa học thì mới thi xong thì phải.
Đúng rồi. Chị nói là Spartan University là có nghĩa là ảnh mới có đậu thôi à.
Em hiểu cái đó. Em hiểu cái
Em
đó.
hiểu, nhưng mà cô giáo hiểu là có nghĩa là học năm đầu tiên. Có nghĩa là cô giáo hiểu thành là anh ấy đã học cái năm đầu tiên. He just passed exam. Not he learn.
Not still learning.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, I understand now. Okay, thank you so
Yes.
much. All right, because my daughter, she wanted to take cookery. So she is only grade 10 this coming intern class, but yeah, she is planning to take a cookery, or yeah, she like cooking.
Oh God.
Yeah.
What caught your son want to join?
Yeah,
Miss Thanh.
my
Yeah.
son. Yeah.
My son.
What university it your son want to join?
Wait.
Want to apply? What university?
Yes. He joined University of Economic.
Oh.
Yes.
In district 3 or district 10. Yeah, and it had a lot of place. That university had a lot of place in Ho Chi Minh City. My wife study that.
He joined National University.
Oh, National University.
Yes.
What name?
Nói tiếng Việt đi ha. Trường Đại học Kinh tế Luật.
Economic Lào.
Giống trường của Narin không?
Dạ em là Human and Social.
Xã hội.
Khoa học xã hội và nhân văn. Gần trường em luôn, với Đại học Quốc gia.
My son exam part exam University of Economics and Law. Yes.
Yeah.
The school top in Ho Chi Minh City.
Yes, Ho Chi Minh City. Okay.
In the top.
In the top.
So good.
So I'm very happy, and I very funny.
Yeah, we see that on your eyes. Yeah, so we are happy that you're happy today, Miss Ron. For your achievement for your son's achievement as well. All right.
Yes.
So your son's achievement is also your achievement, right?
Yes.
All right. So that's great.
I expect my son because he is very tall, he very handsome and very intelligent.
Wow.
I think I'm very happy. Okay. I'm very expect.
Yeah, that's so nice. Okay, so
I want to
congratulations.
say that happy for everybody, for my teacher. Yes.
Yeah, I'm happy and congratulations to you, Miss Tran. So yeah, we know that as a parent, if what does our children's achievement, of course, that is our big achievement too, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, so congratulations for your achievement.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
All
Nãy giờ chị
right.
cười em tét hàm răng.
Ôi cái trường đó giỏi lắm á, điểm rất là
Đúng
cao. Bây giờ mấy bạn học giỏi lắm.
Đúng rồi, cái công nghệ mạng đó bây giờ nó cũng thịnh hành đó. Có nghĩa là nó học về bên cái ngành nghề là nó nói với chị là về cái bên công nghệ mạng, mấy cái mạng giống như nó làm Momo ba cái gì giờ đó, làm về cái đó đó. Chứ là nó học ra là nó làm cái đó.
Điện tử.
Đúng rồi.
Điện tử.
Okay. So what lesson do you learn today, Miss Emily?
Oh yeah, I'm asking for the topic to Miss Tran. Yes, yes, I'm waiting for Miss Tran for the topic she wanted to learn or to talk about today.
Yeah. So I think you should show the topic list at last lesson. So she will join one of them.
Sorry, could you say it again?
Now, not yet.
Not yet. Oh, I'm so sorry. I lost. All right. I'm sorry. Could you say it again?
No.
Yes.
All right. So, what topic do you want to talk about?
I think up to you today. The teacher when choose.
All right. So, all right. Let me choose.
Yes.
So, because you are happy about your children, so let's talk about childhood or about children.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. I think
I'm sorry, guys.
this time
Uh,
we'll talk a lot today.
Talk a lot today.
Because, because
I forgot Mr.
I
Tommy and
have
Noreen.
it's okay. I want to listen you guys say about that because you have children in the future, so it will be helpful with us. I think Narin at me. Okay.
All right, no worries about it. Yeah, just the question will be, of course, for a newbie married couples, and of course, for the future wife to be, Miss Noreen, of course. So yeah, this first question will be for you guys.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay, so first question is, if you want to have a child, how many child do you want to have?
Child.
Or kids
Oh.
or children? How many children do you want?
Who first?
It's up to you, Naren or Mr. Tommy.
Narin.
uh, I
Chưa
think
định,
this,
chưa có con.
oh no, my friend asked me this question. I when I think I if I if if I can I want many children because I love children.
Wow, so you want to have a big and happy family with a lot of children.
Yeah.
Wow.
If I economic good.
Like how many children or how many kids do you want to have? Like 4 or 5?
If I'm rich, I can have many children.
Yeah. All right. Yes. But if I know, rich people no doesn't have a lot of kids. They have just 1 to 2 kids at home for the
Hmm.
rich people. And then mostly, or yeah, um rich people doesn't having a kids or a lot of friends or a lots of kids. Um yeah just I how is it, just I observe. you know.
Oh,
Yeah.
I think if I am rich, my student can have education good in environment
Mhm.
environment in your life. Okay.
Wow, that's great idea. That's great idea. All right, anything you want to add, Narain?
uh, I want.
Yeah, do you have anything to add on your statement? Like you want to have many children because you like you like kids. So do you want to add more on your statement?
Do you like kids?
Yeah, she
Yes.
like kids. Wow.
Yes. How about Tommy Chan?
Yeah. Yeah,
Do
how
you
about you,
like
Mr.
kids?
Tommy?
Yeah, I like them. Yeah, I want yeah, to I want 3 or 4 children.
All right, so 3 or 4. All right, that's nice. And how about you, Miss Ryan? Do you want to have to add your kid or your son? Do you want to add one more? Just busy.
I'm
All right.
sorry.
Yeah. Miss Ryan, do you want to add another kids or another question? Sorry, another children?
Ah, because I get married. I have one boy. So if I can, I want to have one boy and one girl in
Oh.
your families.
Mm-hmm. Ah, so if
Yes.
you have, all right, so you want to add another one, but it is already girl. Is it?
Yes. Yes.
Wow. All right, that's nice.
Because
Okay.
now I have only one boy. Is my son.
Mhm.
No, I wish I have a daughter, but now I'm not young,
Mhm.
so I cannot.
Oh. Yeah, that's fine. But even your age is higher, but you look still younger. Okay. So
Thank
no
you.
worries about that.
Yeah.
All right. So thank you so much, guys, for those answered. All right. Do you want do you have any questions here?
And I have a question for teacher.
Mhm.
Uh, do you have guest married?
Yeah, I'm already married for 9 years and I
Yes.
have already three kids. I have a 15-year-old girl, mm, 9-year-old boy, and 1 and 8 months baby girl.
Wow,
Yeah.
congratulations. Yes. Uh,
Yeah,
give
so
10. 10.
10.
Yes,
Oh, I think yeah,
10 mark.
even I like to make it, but no, my body can't, my body can't produce another another seven kids.
No, 7. I think that 10 mark.
10.
Because, yes, because you have boy and you have girl.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, maybe I will see if I can. I will see if I can. All right. Okay. Any questions, guys? Any questions?
I don't have question.
No questions. All right. Okay. So thank you so much for that question, Miss Chan. All right. So the second question is, all right, if you want to have, or if you are ready to have a kid, all right, Narain,
Yeah.
all right, if you are ready to have a kid, when and what year do you want to have a kid? Like, because if you are, like if you are planning to having a kid, so you have to plan what year, what month. Yeah, I like what I did. I planned it that for my first baby I will have my first baby on 2009. And then I think I after 6 years I want to have another baby. So 6 years gap now. So yeah, because that is how parental, okay, planning their families for their future family as well. Of course, we are a parent, so we don't want our child or our children to be, to feel burden or to feel uncomfortable for their home, for their food, for anything. So yeah. So the question will, if you want to have a baby, or if you are ready to have a baby, so when and what year?
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh,
Or
uh,
how?
I, uh,
Go
I
ahead.
think I not plan
You don't have any plan.
because I think if I have a boyfriend, you and me and my boyfriend really, I married, and then I can have children because I really I really I don't like married I don't like married, but I want have a children.
Oh,
Why?
she wants to become a parent, but she don't want to become a married person.
Why?
You're
Why?
so funny,
Why?
Lorraine. You're so
I don't
funny.
know. I don't know, but I
Um,
when I think married, I can so so tired.
like
I think I think
I
she
think
not not sẵn sàng là cái gì ta?
really
Ờ,
I
I
guess
think
I guess he I guess he think have hurt husband not sure happy, but sure happy.
All right. Yeah, I have a friend.
Right,
She
right.
is also she want also to have a baby, but she don't want to have a husband. Yeah, some girls, okay, think about it. Yeah, but it's too difficult maybe. Yeah, it's so difficult for a woman without husband. Yeah, but maybe you can think maybe 10 years from now, then you have a baby. All right. So we don't say that, yeah, maybe tomorrow or next day. Yeah, what if you can't? So maybe after 5 years or 3 years or 10 years from now. Yeah, maybe. I'm sorry. My nose is all right. So how about you, Mr. Tommy? So you are already married. And
Yeah,
what year do you plan to having a baby?
yeah. Yeah, we are planning to give birth, give birth the children. Yeah, to this year on. Yeah, we are planning for that.
start this year, plan this year. You
I
yeah.
think it's not working for this year's, right, Mr. Tommy? Because you are not still enjoying your single life. So Mr. Tommy want to have a single life.
Love.
Okay, now. All right, thank you so much for that, Mr. Tommy. All right, now, okay, so let me ask you this, Mr. John. All right, how about you? If your son, like example, he is already 18. So we know that some children or some some young people today or this nowadays is very, they are having a fall in love with their young age. So example, your son is already in 25 years old. and she is asking you to get married. All right. And will you will you accept it? Just for example.
Very difficult for me.
Yeah. Yeah, because I can't ask you if you if you have planned to having a baby, or if you have planned to have a baby because yeah. All right. So what do you think? Will you accept it, or will you arguing with him, or will you angry with him because he is fall in love?
I think I think it's now I don't accept because I think he is very young. I want to enjoy and learn and develop in every place. I think about he gets married about 25 or 27. I think okay. So if you request for me, I will talk about for my son understand.
But
Yes.
but if his girlfriend gets pregnant,
Ah.
the teacher asked you about if his girlfriend get pregnant. Yeah, now.
Very difficult for me.
The, the teacher's question.
If the doctor request, I think I accept. Yeah.
I'm just asking Mr. Tommy if her son asking him to get married. I'm not asking. You make it difficult to him.
Miss Tan, if
Yeah.
if he
Yeah.
think the same me, if he think the same me, when I 20 when I 30, I don't want marriage.
Uh-huh.
But if he think the same me,
Yeah.
are you okay?
I don't believe because I love you very beautiful and I want to very happy with my family. So I think you are thinking and you go ahead enjoy when you feel full. I think you have planned get married. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, if you are already enjoyed, you already traveled around the
Yeah.
world, yeah, and you are ready to get married, then go on. So, yes. Yeah, I agree with Miss John. All right. So, as a parent, yeah, I understand that it's too difficult as a parent that we accept or we know that our son or our daughter to fall in love with their young age. But of course, for me, maybe it is not. Yeah, maybe I can't accept as well if they are still young.
Yeah.
So maybe they can wait until they have the other legal age and they already enjoyed and they know what is bad and what is good to them, right? So yeah, I understand you, Miss Tran. All right.
Yeah.
So yeah, so thank you so much for that. Okay, do you have any questions?
sorry. I think I should have you call Thanh name correctly. You know, her name is Thanh.
Tang. Oh, sorry,
Yes.
Tang.
Thanh.
Oh,
Yes.
oh, I'm sorry. I think it's R. Oh, it's a Tang. R Tang. All right. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
And thank you so much, Mr. Tommy. All right. I'm sorry. So now, yeah, it's H. Oh, okay.
Oh.
So thank you so much for that. I didn't recognize it. I'm just only listening.
Yeah, because sometimes you meet and I don't know. I think it is good for me.
All right.
I think my name very easy call, but my teacher and the new teacher on call wrong.
Yeah, I didn't recognize. I didn't recognize it letter H. I I I just saw. I just see it. It's TR and H. So it's that's why I called Trang. Yeah, but TH.
TSANH.
Yeah, it's TH. All
Yes.
right. Okay, so I'm sorry about it. What happened again?
You know about Einstein?
Einstein?
Yeah. So
Uh-huh.
you can Einstein.
Einstein. It's I
Yeah,
A I
Thành.
E.
Yeah, her name is Thành.
All right.
Thành. Okay.
Okay. So thank you so much for that, Mr. Translator. All right. So yeah, by the way, Miss Chang, um, Mr. Tommy is our translator.
Thành, đúng rồi.
Thank you. All right. So
Thành.
thank you. Oh no, it's not thank you. It's thank you.
Thank you.
Oh.
Yes, the
Oh,
same, the
Yes.
same. Thank.
thank. Oh, all
Yes.
right.
Yeah.
Okay. Mhm. All right. So I know it. All right. So Miss Tang. All right.
Yeah, that's
So
right.
that was a nice name. Okay. So
Yes.
yeah, because here, in the Philippines, we have an English name. All right. Most of people have an English name, and some has a Filipino name, but
Yeah.
not most of the people. Yeah. So yeah, if yeah, if I compare your name and a Filipino name, so most of the time, Vietnamese people have a long name, right?
Yeah.
They have
Yes.
how many characters? Yeah.
Man,
All
got
right.
first.
Sorry, Mr. Tommy.
Sorry, sorry. I don't know what you say, so I ask you again.
Oh, all right. Okay. So what did I say? No. Yeah, because most of my students in Vietnamese, all right, they has a lot of name. So
Uh,
like,
Yes.
yeah. So
Yes.
I don't know how to call them. Like sometimes is your name is Lee, how to pronounce your name? Lee Tae Kim Tang. All right.
Yes.
So yeah, so it's a lot of names.
Yes.
Like
A
if
lot
you,
of.
yeah, a lot of names. So I don't know where is the surname, where is the nickname, where is the middle name.
uh,
Yeah.
oh, I see.
This is a full name. A full
Oh, it's
name.
a full name.
Yes. If you can, I think you can tons.
Sorry, could you say it again?
This is full name.
Full name. So your
Yes.
first name and your
Not a-
last
yes.
name. Oh, all
Okay.
right.
So if you want to call, I think you call Thanh, not Lê Thị Kim Thanh. No need, no
Yeah.
need. Yeah.
Yeah, that's why sometimes I'm not looking on the screen
Yeah.
on how to pronounce your name, guys. Like before, I called Noreen Rain, just Rain, right?
Yes.
Oh,
Okay, so I called
yeah.
only Noreen Rain because they said my name is Noreen. So I didn't hear Na, but I
Yeah.
heard only Rain. So I just call her Rain. Yeah. And then um many classes we had, uh then I recognize they called Narain as Narain. So, oh, yeah, her name is Narain, but I call her just Rain. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because I don't I can't recognize what is her name and what is her last name.
Yeah.
Like what my name is just Everly, so that is my first name. Obrique is my last name. So we can recognize, and uh if my office mate call me,
Mm.
sometimes just my first name. So yeah, or some people called me on my last name, but most of the people called my first name. All right,
Yes.
but
So
yes,
Everly, the first name or the last name?
yeah, that is my first name.
Yes.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yes,
I can call Everly
yeah,
name.
yes, that's my name.
Yes.
Yeah, but yeah, for you guys, that's why I'm not looking on the screen and read your name, because if I do that, I will read all the letters
Yeah.
written there because
Yes.
I don't know how to call you. I have a student before. He is a young boy. No, not young, not before, but he is my student until now.
Mm.
So he is my regular student, and he is from Vietnam as well. So just I share to you guys. So before, because they are two, they are brother. They are brothers. And then Monday, Tuesday, so that is the oldest brother. Wednesday, Thursday, and then the young brother. Okay, the young boy. First day of a trial class we had, I call him Tan Tang Tang Tan Tan. So Tanhai, 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 just Tanhai. Until uh, Thursday. So
Mm.
for the Wednesday and Thursday, that is Duktay. So Duktay is the brother, the youngest brother. So but I call him Tanhai. I did yeah. Uh because they didn't tell me that I teach two kids, not
Wow.
one, but two. So they are same face. They
Yeah.
are same, yeah, they have similar face, similar body figure, everything. Because they are brothers. And just I call him, hello Tanhai. As for the Monday, hello Tanhai. Tuesday, hello Tanhai. Thursday, Wednesday, I said, hello Tanhai. But her mother said, he is Duktay. And I said, oh my God, it's, I feel so shy because I didn't recognize. Already, I already teach them for 2 weeks until I recognize. Oh, I have two kids. I am, I am, I am teaching two kids. I'm not teaching just a one kid. But
Oh,
you
Mm.
know, I feel shy because I didn't recognize, and their account using is only one, and that is for their father.
Yeah.
Sometimes I call their name, uh, their father name. Yeah, because I don't know how to call them. I don't know what is their name. I don't know what is their last name until their parents
No.
yeah, until their parents tell me about how to call them, and how to say their name. Oh, I think, oh, that's it.
They
Right.
they they should have a paper, yeah, in the group and write
Write
their
their name.
yeah.
That's a good idea. I will ask them.
Because
And then they will tell their parents, Mama,
you
I don't want to
cannot
learn with teacher Everly. She is very rude.
you cannot know who.
Yeah. Because sometimes I have a group like you guys, group of classes. So I don't know how to call their name. Because sometimes their name, or the under name. So
Yeah,
like your name, Mr. Tommy Tron. Then yeah, sometimes that is their parents' name. So if I read those names, so I call their parents, right? So sometimes
Yes.
I'm just listening. If what they say, then I'll just follow. Yeah. So it's difficult that sometimes I feel shy to call them because I don't know if I call them right.
Yes.
yeah.
So sometimes I'm not calling their name. Just I drag them down, and then yeah, I ask him the questions. Yeah.
I
So
I get I
being a
get
teacher is difficult. It's too difficult because uh like it's not for the lesson, but it's how to handle or how to call their students.
yeah. I have an idea, but I think you shouldn't do it.
What is it?
if if you if you host, yeah, if you host in the meeting,
Uh-huh.
yeah, you can rename them A B C D E E F. Yeah, so
And then I could letter F.
Hey,
Your turn.
yeah, I can be.
Can
But you,
I do that? Can I do that? No, I can't. We can't rename their name, right?
yeah,
Yes.
but but you shouldn't do it because you cannot say yeah I be
I think sometimes have wrong. Yeah.
yeah
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are not, we I can't say that I'm not mistaken, but I always have a mistaken. But the first mistake there is calling the student's name.
Mm.
So that is my very, that is my first mistakes during I conducting the class.
yeah
So
Yes.
yeah. All right, but for a long, 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 long time, long study, long lesson, yeah, then I can pronounce their names as well.
right now
Yeah, yeah. All right. So thank you so much for that. Yeah, um, like what I'm telling every day or every time. So I'm not just you are not just also only learning from me, but I'm also learning from you guys, right?
yeah
So yeah, that was great. It was difficult, but it's very fun.
Yes.
Being a teacher, and of course being a student as well. I'm not just a teacher, but I'm also a student.
yeah
Yes.
yeah I'm together.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm so happy, okay, that you are being with us, Miss Tang. Thank.
Yes.
Thanks, Pratik. All right. Yeah, you are being with us tonight. All right. So yeah, guys, I hope yeah you are busy and you are tired as well. So I think that would be all for tonight. Okay, do you
Yes.
have any questions before we end?
Yes. I don't have no question.
You don't have any questions. All right. So yeah, have a great night to you
Okay.
guys.
I have a
Okay.
lot. I have a lot of questions, but let them for next lesson.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm scared about that. All right, Mr. Tommy, you're next in line to think
Yeah,
that out.
I am getting
Yes.
good one.
Good night, teacher.
Good
You take
night.
care. You
Thank
take
you
care.
so much. Thank you
Uh,
Yeah.
so much,
Bye
Fiona.
yourself.
bye.
Bye.
Yes. Bye bye. Bye bye,
Thank
Narin. Bye
you.
Bye.
bye,
Thank you,
Tommy.
guys.
Yes. See you. See you.
See you.
Yes.
All right. See you guys on Thursday. Good night.